Okay, so to make a payment online through your MyKWU portal, you would go to the Kansas Wesleyan website, which is kwu.edu. From the main screen, click on MyKWU at the top, and you would log in using your credentials. You are now at your home page, so click on the Students tab. And on this screen, you can see who your advisor is, and you can also request your official transcript if that is something that you need. To make a payment online, you would go to the left side and click Financial Information, and then scroll down to My Account Balances. And on this screen will give you all of your sessions or terms. For mine, I have a summer of 21 session, so I would click on the dollar amount and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And again, this lists out all the terms and sessions. So at the bottom, you will click on the blue link called Make a Payment. And from here, again, it lists all the terms and sessions. For summer of 21, here is the $900 charge, the balance on my student account. So if I want to make a payment of $900, I would type in 900 here, or if you would like to pay 500 or additional amounts, you would simply type in the amount you would like to pay, and then click Submit at the bottom. From here, you would have your credit card information readily available and click Continue. And you would select your card type. We accept Discover, MasterCard, or Visa. Enter your card information, and once that has been processed and confirmed, after you hit Continue, you will receive an email with a confirmation code and a payment receipt.